how to turn your LinkedIn into a lead generation machine like this, and here is how you can do the same. Firstly, add a professional looking pic जिसमें तुम्हारा face friendly हो. Secondly, optimize your headline. Show your expertise, add what you do and who you help. Thirdly, add your location as the location of your target audience. So I want to target US citizens, so I will add my location as this. Moving on, in the featured section, you can add your portfolio, add your best result and any case studies that you might have. Then in the About Us section, you can write about your journey and what makes you special. Next, in the experience section, add experiences and places that you have worked before. Mention the skills that you have. And one more thing, keep posting content regularly and engage with fellow creators if you want to grow quickly on LinkedIn.